My name is Robin Lewis. I'm president of the Coastal Resources Group. We're a 501c3 not-for-profit educational and research organization. And with me today from CRG is Laura Flynn. Laura, raise your hand. She's the treasurer. And she has some information. If some of you wanted some of the brochures, I think most of you got them. We're here today to announce a major move forward. These mangroves behind me, this particular area covers 20 hectares or 50 acres. And we have a total of 64 acres when we started this project that looked like this. And we're going to see before and after, basically. This is before. We're going to see the after, which has been under restoration for 3 years across the road there. The total project is 225 acres, 64 acres of mangrove restoration, and 161 acres of mangroves that are under severe stress and are dying as we speak today. As I speak to you, the footprint of the damage increases. It has been increasing for the last 20 years. Mangroves died 20 years ago, and the footprint of the death has been getting larger and larger and larger. And we could anticipate if we do nothing here, that 161 acres will die also. And this is a characteristic of a lot of mangroves in southwest Florida, and even here at Rookery Bay, we have other sites that have a similar issue where we've got obviously dead mangroves, and then we've got mangroves that are a little bit more difficult to identify. These are stressed areas, and they're stressed because of hydrologic modifications. And what happened here was that this road, State Road 92 or San Marco Boulevard, was constructed in 1938. And when it was constructed, it had only a single small culvert that was placed underneath it, a 60-inch culvert. That 60-inch culvert is still in place. So it's a 78-year-old culvert, and it is, any engineer will tell you for a concrete culvert in saltwater, 50 years is about what you can expect if you're lucky. So we've got, that culvert has definitely got to be replaced, but it's the only connection today between the north side of the road and the south side of the road.